Let me ask you something. Why is it that two people can earn the same salary, live in the same city, face the same expenses, but 5 years later, one is financially free and the other is still struggling? It is not luck, it is not connections, it is not even income, it is discipline. And the truth is, only 3% of people have it. Let me start with a real story. Sam was 26 years old when he landed his first serious job. He was earning 80,000 shillings a month, like most of young people. He had pressure, rent, lifestyle, friends, and the temptation to enjoy everything immediately. But Sam made one decision that changed everything. He committed to save 15k every month. No excuses, no skipping, no negotiating with himself. 15,000 every month. Now, let's break that down. 50,000 shillings times 12 months, that is 180k a year. In 5 years, that becomes to 900 shillings, 900k shillings. And with just a little interest, discipline, and consistency, Sam crossed 1 million shillings. At age 31, Sam became a billionaire. Not through luck, not through gambling, not through shortcuts, through discipline. Now, here's the truth most people don't want to hear. In Kenya, only about 3% of people have that level of commitment. Only 3% are willing to delay gratification. Only 3% are consistent when no one is watching. Only 3% follow through on what they start. The other 97%, they start saving, then they stop, they plan, then they procrastinate, they earn, then they spend everything. They wait for more money to start saving. But Sam didn't wait. He started with what he had. Now, saving is not about how much you earn. It's about how much you keep. It is about how much you keep. You can earn 30,000 and still build wealth. You can earn 200k and still be broke. The difference is discipline. Let me challenge you today. If Sam could commit 15k out of 80,000, that is less than 20% of his income. What can you commit? Is it 5,000, 10,000, or 20,000? It's not about the amount. It is about the habit. Because the habit is what puts you in the 3%. Here's the power of that 3%. They don't just save money. They build options. Options to invest, options to start business, options to walk away from bad situations. Savings gives you control. So, ask yourself this question. 5 years from now, will you be like Sam? Or will you still be saying, I wish I started? The truth is simple. You don't need more time. You don't need more money. You need commitment. You need discipline. You need to decide that you are part of the 3%. Start today. Stay consistent. And let time do the heavy lifting. Because wealth is not built in one big moment. It is built in small, disciplined decisions, repeated every single month.